Look, forget trading your weekends for pennies on those random task apps, all right? Today, we are diving deep into this explainer, breaking down 10 validated AI blueprints that can actually replace your 9 to 5. We're talking about leveraging tools like Claude AI to build highly profitable one-person empires. Instead of just guessing what works, we're going to look at real-world success models to show you exactly how to build a sustainable operation from the ground up. To make sense of all these blueprints, we're going to organize them into 4 main phases. We'll start with content and brand building, move into agency and creator support, tackle search, sales, and retention, and finally, we'll figure out exactly how to choose your path and land that first paying client.
All right, phase 1 is where every modern business begins: content and brand building. This is all about establishing a presence and driving serious traffic using AI. So here's the thing. The old way of side hustling meant exhausting yourself, right? Literally trading hours for dollars, fighting for absolute scraps on low-paid gig platforms just for a little weekend cash. But the new way, it is all about leveraged AI businesses. By letting AI do the heavy lifting of research, drafting, and creation, you stop being just a freelancer and start becoming a leveraged operation, fully capable of generating a sustainable, full-time income.
Our first 3 hustles are all about giving brands and founders the visibility they absolutely crave. Hustle number 1 is AI ads for Meta. Brands literally need hundreds of ad variations to test what works. You can use Claude, pair it with some AI image generators, and pump out highly targeted copy and visuals in minutes. Number 2 is AI ghostwriting. Imagine finding a time-strapped founder, feeding their past interviews into a Notion database, and plugging that right into Claude. You perfectly extract their unique voice to run their X and LinkedIn accounts. And Hustle 3 is becoming an AI creator yourself. Instead of doing the work for a brand, you build your own audience in the AI niche by testing tools and sharing prompts.
So how does hustle number 1 actually work in the real world? First, you hit up the free Facebook ad library. Find a trendy brand that's maybe only running, say, 20 ads, while their direct competitors are blasting out 700. Next, you take their product and ask Claude to whip up fresh marketing hooks, diverse angles, and killer ad copy. Then, use a tool like Higgsfield MCP to generate some awesome 3D images or video clips. Finally, pitch the decision maker directly with 5 free custom AI-generated samples. You're handing them instant value, which makes saying yes to a retainer an absolute no-brainer.
Now, looking at the data for these 3, AI ghostwriting really stands out. It gets a 4 out of 5 for ease and a perfect 5 for speed to your first client. It's incredibly accessible. You can start charging founders anywhere from $500 to $3,000 a month right away. Meta Ads gets a 3 for ease and speed because, you got to learn the image generation tools, but validation is a solid 5, pulling in $1 to $5K a month on retainer. The AI creator route also gets a 3 for ease simply because audience building takes time, but man, the long-term potential with AdSense and brand deals is huge. And if you think this is all just theory, look at Brandon from the source material. He was working a standard 9 to 5, looking for a way out, just like a lot of us. By using these exact AI branding methods to scale his output, he didn't just replace his income, he signed 3 clients and hit a $10,000 month in exactly 30 days. Wild, right? Once a creator has an audience, they need a back end. And that brings us to phase 2, agency and creator support, powering the back end of the creator economy. If you're someone who prefers to stay behind the scenes, these next 3 hustles are massive opportunities. Hustle 4 is the growth operator. You basically step in for a creator and handle all the messy monetization stuff they hate, building landing pages, webinars, and email sequences. Hustle 5 is a YouTube agency geared toward founders who, frankly, failed at video. You use Claude for ideation, write the scripts, and essentially spoon-feed them the content. Hustle 6 is content distribution. A lot of creators want a high-volume second channel for shorts or TikToks but have 0 time. You use AI to clip their long-form stuff and schedule it out for a hefty monthly retainer. Let's zoom in on that growth operator workflow because it is insanely lucrative. First, find a creator with massive viewership but no digital products. They're literally leaving money on the table. You step in, use Claude to write their webinar scripts and email copy, and even use AI tools to design their presentation slides. And here's the best part. Because you're building the back end that actually turns their views into cash, you don't just charge a flat fee. You negotiate a base rate plus a massive 10 to 50% cut of the total profit. Now, full transparency here, stepping into a growth operator or YouTube agency role does have a steeper learning curve. They score a low 2 and 2.5 on ease. But the payoff? A growth op gets a perfect 5 for long-term viability, because tying your income to revenue means infinite scale. YouTube agencies are similar,
pulling a 1.5K to 2K base plus profit sharing. But hey, if you want something a bit easier, Content Distribution scores a 3.5 for ease and a 4 for speed, making it a great way to bring in thousands a month simply by managing a clipping operation. To put this into perspective, the source points out a crucial reality of the industry. Quote, all the big creators actually don't do their business side. They have growth operators, end quote. Creators want to create, not build landing pages. By stepping into that gap with AI, you become completely indispensable to their operation. All right, let's jump into phase 3, search, sales, and retention. This is all about driving high-ticket, B2B growth and delivering businesses what they need most: traffic, leads, and returning customers. These final 4 hustles are pure, undeniable revenue generators. Number 7 is AI SEO, optimizing a brand's content so they rank as the top answer inside AI chatbots. Hustle 8 is B2B lead gen, automating massive amounts of outbound cold email and LinkedIn outreach with Claude. 9 is inbound DM setting, where you manage a creator's inbox to qualify leads and book high-ticket sales calls. And 10 is email monetization. Think about fixing abandoned carts or reviving inactive newsletters for an e-commerce brand to pull back lost revenue, charging a percentage of whatever you recover. I really want to highlight Hustle 7 here because AI SEO, or artificial engine optimization, is a massive blue ocean opportunity right now. Major platforms like Webflow are completely pivoting toward this. The goal isn't just ranking on Google anymore. It's structuring a brand's data so perfectly that when someone asks a question directly to Claude or ChatGPT, your client is given as the definitive, top recommended answer. Let's check the scorecard for these B2B strategies. You'll notice outbound lead gen suffers from high competition, scoring a 2, mostly because everyone uses outbound to sell outbound, right? But AI SEO, that's a goldmine. It boasts a 4.5 for low competition, letting you charge around $3,000 a month. DM setting is amazing for quick wins, scoring a 5 for speed to cash at a 1K base plus 5 to 10% commission. And email monetization is a solid 4 for ease, where you can charge $500 per email or take a direct percentage of the revenue. And this stuff really works. The source highlights Sandy, a former insurance manager balancing a crazy career and 3 kids. She mastered these exact AI search strategies, transitioned to consulting full-time, and scaled her business to 60,000 subscribers, pulling in over $50,000 a month. Just incredible. But hey, none of these blueprints matter if you can't get people to pay you. That brings us to our final phase: choosing your AI path and learning how to actually secure your very first paying client. The strategy for finding clients relies on a really smart list builder concept. You don't just buy a list and spam thousands of inboxes. Instead, you look for clear digital signals, like a founder who just raised a bunch of money on Crunchbase. Then you identify their gap. Maybe they post daily on LinkedIn but only get 5 likes. Finally, instead of a standard text pitch, you send them a highly personalized Loom video showing them exactly how your specific AI hustle solves their exact visibility problem. The core philosophy here is an absolute game changer. It's not about having some magical, hypnotic sales script. It's about AI-assisted targeting. When you find the exact person experiencing the exact pain point that your AI service immediately solves, your pitch doesn't feel forced. It feels like a totally natural, welcome solution to them. We've just unpacked 10 validated blueprints to escape the 9-to-5, from AI ghostwriting to running full-scale growth operations. The AI tools are here, the market is an absolute blue ocean right now, and the pricing models are proven. So the only question left for you is, out of all these incredible